Hi and welcome to this new video. By now everyone might know, if you follow me for a while, that I'm a real sucker for micro brick battle. The micro scale tanks, tabletop game, strategy tabletop game by Brickmania. I like it, I love it. I played with my son a lot and I actually really like enjoying playing with my son, but also having these nice micro scale tanks. It's often pretty hard to get the right shaping and going on to design the model in such a small scale, but then again that's the biggest challenge and that's maybe the most fun out of it. But when you play a game of micro brick battle, you can just smack some bricks together for obstacles and all those kinds of things, but I prefer to make it a little bit more interesting, and therefore this time this video is to make some scenery on your tabletop game while you play the game. For instance, I'm going to show you how to make this rock formation. It's useful for when your tank can be in a little bit hard to see in hiding. It will give you advantage. It can be used like a posting place to go and hide it and destroy your enemy tanks, and you get a defense advantage when your tank is hidden. So yeah, this little rock formation I'm going to show you later on. Design of this one is by WW2. You can find his Instagram account in the description. I'm going to show you how to make some dragon teeth. Pretty simple. And I'm going to show you how to make this simple outhouse toilet, because hey, tank commanders also need to take a dump every now and then, right? This one I already showed in a previous video, so if you want to see that one, how to make this Yak Panther, check out the card both. Well, let's start with the most interesting one of this video, this rock formation. I saw WW2 making this one in tan or dark tan for his for an upcoming desert campaign scenario he wants to play. I thought I want to make it. I love it so much because of this part. I have it in my Bricklink store, and I thought that's one of those parts you will never sell. It will stay in your store forever because nobody has any use for it. But then I saw he made this and I absolutely loved it. I modified it a bit to make it in like rocks or like dark blues gray, so it's more usable in different scenarios, not just for desert. And I made it like this with a little jumper here, so you have a secret cave. So if you have some infantry rules, you can even hide some soldiers in there. So in a couple of seconds I will show you all the parts needed in a list, and you can pause the video, collect the parts you need, and then we can go on making this step by step. So let's go. Now you have this one ready, we can go on with this one. Same steps. I'm going to show you the parts needed, then you can collect them and the building steps will follow. So for the dragon teeth, that was a very simple one, and this is also a very simple one. On this one I added a sticker from, I think it was from a Lego Friends set or something, but you don't need to add that sticker at all. I just thought it made look a little bit more interesting, but no need to do that. So if you just go on and use a blank tile, maybe you can paint a little small heart on the side to make it like a window. Well, once again, parts list to come up and then the steps to build it. Now you have all three, and I hope you like them enough to add to your micro brick battle tabletop game. Makes your map just look a little bit more interesting. Of course, when you use the dragon teeth, those are not tanks are not able to drive over them, but they can shoot over them. Nonetheless, they won't have any defense value or something like that. It's just an obstacle tanks need to go around, which can be pretty useful. If I were play a game, I would say the outdoor toilet is more than easily enough to destroy it, and tank can just roll over it. You can make as many of them as possible. You can make a complete row of those. How many toilets you need, you can make them. I decided to make a couple of these rock formations, so I actually can make an interesting map. And if you just make them a little bit like, put them a little bit different on your table, they don't look that uniform. You can always switch the light blues gray and the dark blues gray parts a little bit and makes it more interesting. Your tanks can go, if you want to make them go through, make them at least like 4 or 5 steps from each other, space in between. And yeah, I hope you enjoy them. I hope you build them and have a great time playing Micro Brick Battle. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.